Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So in this lecture, we are going to discussing the diagonalizable matrix problem. Okay, whenever you get a problem based on the diagonalizable matrix, so how we can find the diagonalizability of the given matrix capital A. So what are the steps included in this process? So we are going to discussing now. So first of all, observe the question. Diagonalize the matrix capital A. That matrix is 1 minus 3 3 3 minus 5 3 3 minus 3 1. Okay, it is a 3 rows and 3 columns, one square matrix, 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay, so find the diagonalizable of matrix capital A if possible unknown. Okay, so that means we have to find out the diagonalizability of the given matrix. What is the condition? Capital A is equal to, okay, so capital A is equal to P into D into P inverse. P into D into P inverse. So directly we cannot apply the process capital A is equal to PD P inverse. So there are 5 steps to apply that condition. What are those 5 steps here? We can discuss now. In the step 1, first of all we have to find out that eigenvalues of capital A. First of all we have to find out that eigenvalues of capital A, and you have to keep the subheading also in step 1 finding eigenvalues of capital A. In step 2 eigenvectors finding eigenvectors of capital A. Okay, so in step 3 with the already we have finded that eigenvectors. Okay, so therefore with the help of this eigenvectors we can construct the square matrix capital P. Construct square matrix capital P. And step 4, construct diagonal matrix with the help of eigenvalues of capital A. Construct the diagonal matrix capital D. After step 4, next the last step is step 5. The condition P D P inverse is equal to capital A, or you can use another step is that one is A into P is equal to P into D. A into P is equal to P into D. These are the 5 steps to find the diagonalizable matrix of the given square matrix capital A. So for each and every problem, whenever you are solving problems based on this method, so you have to mention step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 along with the side headings. Then only you will get the full marks. Okay, so therefore, first of all observe that the solution of this problem. Step 1, finding the eigenvalues of capital A. Given matrix is capital A is equal to the 3 by 3 matrix. Now we are going to finding that eigenvalues. For that, characteristic equation of capital A is equal to det of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So that means we can write in the mathematical format det of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Substitute the corresponding values. So this one is the det and a capital A minus lambda into capital I. So you can simplify with those values in the determinant only we can apply the subtraction. Then you will get det of 1 minus lambda 3 3 minus 3 minus 5 minus lambda minus 3 3 3 1 minus lambda, that is equal to 0. You know very well to find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix from the regular process. So 1 minus lambda into minus 5 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda. That means this one is the value. For that value, you will get, we have to make first row and first column is ignore. So therefore, and the rest of the elements we can apply the AD minus BC formula. For the rest of the 2 by 2 matrix, we can apply the AD minus BC formula. Similarly, for the second element also we can do the same process. And the third element also in the first row we can do the same process. Okay, so therefore minus 3 and plus 3, you will get the corresponding values equal to 0. Now 1 minus lambda into, we can simplify this value. So therefore you will get minus 5 plus 5 lambda minus lambda plus lambda square plus 9. Okay, next to minus 3 into, okay, so therefore you can simplify that bracket. So minus 3 plus 3 lambda plus 9 plus 3 into minus lambda plus 15 plus 3 lambda equal to 0. Okay, so and finally 1 minus lambda into, so again if you simplify inside that bracket, so you will get one quadratic equation lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4 minus 3 into 3 lambda plus 6 plus 3 into 3 lambda plus 6. Here plus 3 into 3 lambda 6 is there, minus 3 into 3 lambda plus 6 is there. So we can cancel those two values. Okay. So then you can write the remaining value as this one. So okay, 1 minus lambda into lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can cancel this value and this value and so therefore then we can write the remaining values in this format. So lambda minus 1 into lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. So lambda minus 1 into this quadratic equation you know very well. You can multiply lambda square into 4, 4 lambda square, that 4 lambda square. We can write the product of two values. If you add those two values, again you have to get the middle value of that quadratic equation. So here 2 into 2 is the 4. Okay, symbol is plus, plus into plus plus, lambda into lambda, 2 lambda. Again if you add them, you will get 4 lambda only. That 4 lambda is the middle value of that quadratic equation. So therefore lambda square plus this 4 lambda we can write 2 lambda plus 2 lambda plus 4 will be as it is equal to 0. Now you can take the common, then you will get lambda minus 1 into lambda plus 2 into lambda plus 2 equal to 0. So here we have 2 lambda plus 2's. So therefore we can get lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So we got the eigenvalues as lambda is equal to plus 1. We got the eigenvalues as lambda is equal to plus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. So 3 eigenvalues we have. So after getting that eigenvalues, we can go to the step 2. Step 2 is finding the 3 linearly independent eigenvectors of capital A. Why? Because here, why particularly we are mentioning 3 is small n linearly independent eigenvectors అని మనం థీరం లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా, సేమ్ దానికి మనం ఇక్కడ 3 linearly independent eigenvectors అని చెప్తాం అన్నమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ if you take lambda is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here we have two eigenvalues same వచ్చాయమ్మా. So you can find only one value only. For lambda is equal to minus 2, you will get 2 eigenvectors. And next lambda is equal to 1 ki, you will get 1 vector. Okay, so therefore, whenever you get the repeated eigenvalues, if you get the 2 repeated eigenvalues, for the 1 eigenvalue, you will get 2 eigenvectors. That 2 eigenvectors also corresponding to the remaining values also, remaining same values. Here, lambda is equal to minus 2 is there. For this minus 2, you will get 2 eigenvalues. Next lambda is equal to minus 2 also, these values only. No need to find out the separately. Why? Because lambda is equal to minus 2 has the multiplicity 2. That means it has repeated 2 times. So that is that. Consider lambda is equal to minus 2. So substitute the value somewhat to find the eigenvectors. What is the process? We have to substitute the formula a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So therefore here a minus lambda is minus 2 into I equal to a plus 2i. So here x అనేది మనం లాస్ట్ కి అప్లై చేస్తాం. First we have to find out this value a minus lambda I value, find out that matrix. After finding that matrix, we can apply that x into equal to 0. Okay. So therefore this one is the capital A value plus 2 into I. So identity matrix after multiplying with 2. So therefore a plus 2i is equal to resultant matrix summary. So for this matrix, to find the eigenvector, the augmented matrix is given by a plus 2i 0 is. So this one is the augmented matrix. Also you can keep the some dot lines in this format if you have time. Okay, you can also separate. Why? Because for the any augmented matrix, we can separate the two matrices in that one dotted lines. So therefore next, by applying the row operations, here R3 implies R3 plus R2. For this R3, if you add with R2, then the total row 3 will become 0. Why? Because plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 both will become 0. So therefore మనకి ఇక్కడ total R3 మొత్తం మనకి ఏమైపోతుందంటే 0. Next R2 implies R2 plus R1. For here also R2 implies R2 plus R1 under same second row also will become 0. Third row is automatically 0. So first row is as it is 3 3 0. Now here after getting this value, again you can divide with row 1 with 3 amma. You can divide row 1 with 3. So then you will get amma ultimately. So in this format 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 So 0, 0, 0, 0. So this one is the final matrix. If you can do that division process, okay, divide with 1 by 3, multiply with 1 by 3, or divide with 3 for the row 1. So therefore, you can get in this format. After getting this augmented matrix, now we can apply the equation with a small x, where small x is equal to x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3. If you multiply this equation with this augmented matrix, you will get the general solutions in this format. For the only one row, first row matrame non-zero kabatti, you will get only one linear equation. Remaining row 2, row 3 manaku 0 rows kabatti, we cannot get the values anamata. So only for the first row 3x1 ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్ గా చేశారు, అంటే మీన్స్ మనం ఇక్కడ డివైడ్ చేసాం కదా, సో డివైడ్ చేయకుండానే తీసుకున్నారు వాల్యూస్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0, or 3x1 is equal to send this total two value x2 x3 values to RHS, then you will get minus 3x2 minus 3x3. Divide with 3 on both sides, you will get x1 is equal to minus x2 minus x3. మీరు ఇక్కడ 3 తో డివైడ్ చేసినా కూడా సేమ్ వాల్యూస్ వచ్చేవి, బట్ ఇలా చేసినా కూడా ఏం నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సో హియర్ x2 x3 RHSL లో ఉన్న x2 కావచ్చు x3 కావచ్చు, ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఏమని చెప్తామంటే మనం ఫ్రీ వేరియబుల్స్ అని చెప్పేస్తాం. హియర్ x2 x3 ఆర్ ద ఫ్రీ వేరియబుల్స్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్. హియర్ x2 x3 are the free variables of the given linear equation. Then the general solution is, we can write small x is equal to x1 x2 x3. So in place of x1, substitute the corresponding equation minus x2 minus x3. x2 will be x2 and x3 will be x3. Why? Because those two are the free variables. You can free to substitute any value. So therefore, take x2 common from this row, okay, from that column take x2 common, then you will get that the coefficient values of x2, and from the remaining column, from this column take x3 common, then you will get the coefficients of x3. This one and this one are the eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 2. So therefore, the eigenvectors corresponding to lambda equal to minus 2 are v suffix 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 0, and v suffix 2 is equal to second eigenvector is equal to minus 1 0 plus 1. ఇక్కడ lambda is equal to minus 2 అనే minus 2 అనేది 2 times రిపీట్ అయింది కాబట్టి మనకు 2 వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. అది ఓన్లీ 1 టైం రిపీట్ అయితే మనకు 1 టైం వస్తుంది అనమాట, ఓన్లీ 1 eigen vector వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ మనకి ఏంటంటే another eigen value lambda is equal to 1 ఉంది కదా, for this eigen value also we can find the eigen vectors. So for that condition a minus lambda into I, ఇక్కడ lambda is equal to 1 కాబట్టి a minus 1 into I, so capital A minus I, so this one is the resultant matrix. Here the augmented matrix is given by a minus I into 0, so therefore you can separate in this format with the dotted lines when you write the augmented matrix. So therefore apply the row operations, R2 implies R2 plus R1, you will get this matrix. Okay, so therefore we are changing row 2, so that's why we are getting those values. Next R3 implies R3 plus R2, then you will get total row 3 will become 0. Then R2 implies R2 plus R1, then you will get in this format. Next divide with row 1 with 3, divide row 2 with minus 3, then you will get in this format matrix. After getting that matrix, multiply with a small x, then you will get that equations. Equations are nothing but x2 plus x3 equal to 0 from that row 1. Okay, from that row 1 x2 plus x3 equal to 0. From that condition send x3 to RHS, so therefore x2 is equal to minus x3. From row 2 x1 minus x3 equal to 0, that implies you will get x1 is equal to x3. Okay, so therefore clearly here we have only one free variable x3 x3. So therefore here x3 is a free variable, then the general solution is given by small x is equal to x1 x2 x3. Substitute the values, x1 is equal to x3. Okay, so x2 is equal to minus x3, x3 is equal to x3 only. So take x3 common, then the coefficients of x3 are the third eigenvector. 1 minus 1 1 is the third eigenvector for the corresponding eigenvalue lambda is equal to 1. So therefore v suffix 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 1. Previous ga manaku 2 vectors వచ్చాయి v1 v2, now it is v suffix 3.